Hello everyone, let's try to find this integral using the integration by parts technique. Now the integration by parts technique came from the product rule of differentiation, where u and v are functions of x. Now to get the original function uv, we try to integrate both sides of the equation. Now making this term the subject, we will then have uv minus integrating v du over dx with respect to x. So in integration by parts, the integrand is a product of two functions, namely u and dv over dx. Now how do we identify which term in here is u or dv over dx? Now there is an order of preference for the choice of u, and this is provided by the acronym LIATE or LIATE. Now LIATE stands for logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, and lastly exponential function. Now in this case, there's an algebraic function and an inverse trigo function over here. So according to the acronym, the inverse function takes preference since it comes before the algebraic function. Therefore, we let u equals to tangent inverse x. Differentiating u with respect to x, we will have 1 over 1 plus x squared. Now, dv over dx is then x squared. Now, we know that we are on the right track if we can integrate this term easily. So, v is then equals to 1 over 3 x cubed. Now, once you have all these information at hand, what we can do is to take u multiplied by v and place it over here as the first term. Minus away integrating v multiplied by du over dx, which gives us this expression over here. Now what we can do is to simplify this expression further, which will give us 1/3 x cubed tangent inverse x minus 1/3 x cubed over 1 plus x squared dx. Now this term over here is actually an improper fraction, so what we can do is to use long division to take x cubed divided by x squared plus 1, which gives us x minus x over 1 plus x squared dx. Now it gets a little bit tricky over here, but in order to simplify things, what I'll do is to write minus 1/3 integrate x dx plus 1/3 integrate x over 1 plus x squared dx. Now I have separated these two terms so that I can integrate them term by term and I can minimize any potential careless mistakes. Now let's proceed further to write over here again 1 over 3 x cubed tangent inverse x. Now we can then integrate this expression to give us 1 over 6 x squared. Don't forget to put the minus sign outside. And from here in this expression, we can multiply 2 to the numerator so that it is actually a differentiated form of the denominator. And then multiplying half on the outside so that this can be equivalent, I can actually convert this to a ln function when I integrate it. Alright, so the final answer, we will then have 1 over 3 x cubed tangent inverse x minus 1 over 6 x squared plus 1 over 6 ln 1 plus x squared plus c. Now in integration by parts, make sure you know how to identify what is u and what is dv over dx so that you can quickly position all these information into the statement over here using this integration by parts formula that you see on the screen right now. Now I do hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down in the comments box below. Do subscribe to my channel to see more valuable content such as this, and thank you so much for watching.